Alright, welcome back to the new video. In this video we will set up our lab. So I am using a GNS3 with 24 GB of RAM, 6 virtual CPUs and 500 GB of hard disk. So I will turn on the machine. Alright, now that my machine is up and running, I will start my GNS3. It will take some time to come up, so don't worry. Now I will do a cancel and I will go ahead, file new project, and I will name this as CCNP security 300 to 710 and OK. So now I will first take up the FMC. This is my FMC here. Just give it some time, it will come up. Right, my FMC is here. And now according to my topology I will set up my lab. Right, I have bring up my topology, so I need a CA, certificate authority, or DNS. So for now I don't worry about this one, I will just go ahead with the another things. So but I do need a management PC over here, so I will use Webterim as my management PC and I will just rename this one. And now I will drag one layer 2 switch which will be connected to my GNS3, and now I will let me check in my, I need a router and 2 PCs. For these 2 PCs I will be using Webterim for now. When I need Windows machine, then I will use a Windows machine at that time. Until then I will use the Webterim. So I will go ahead and I will use the Webterim and I will rename this one as PC1 and PC2. And now I need one more switch over here, so I will go ahead and I will drag one more switch. And now need one router. I will use IOU router. And now I need FTD over here. I'll go to my firewall, so I will take FTD. And now I need an ISP over here, so I will use a router as an ISP. I will just rename this one as the ISP and I will rename this one as the edge router. Now according to my topology I need my Active Directory, one HTTP server and web server. So I would go ahead to my Windows Server 2019. I will rename this one as AD/DNS/CA. And I need one more router, IOU router, to make it as an HTTP. So I will make this one as the, what we can say, SR1, server 1. And you can see that this is giving me some issues here. The VNC process has stopped with the red code node PC2, please restart. Okay, I did not even start, don't worry about that one. And now there is one more Windows Server 2019 which I need to make it as a web server. So this will be my HTTPS server, so I will show you how to make this one as an HTTP server. So now all the components are in my topology. Now I will just have to make a connection, and here you can see that there is a switch. So I will just put one more switch over here. Right, so now I'm ready to connect, so I will go ahead and I will do my connections. So now according to my topology, E0 is good, E0/1 is towards my PC1, so that is also good. E0/1, not this one, to my router, and E0/2 is towards my FTD. And here it's a little bit tricky, so I will just show you why it is tricky. So until this, just hang on, and I will go ahead and I will connect this one to outside, connect this one to this. I will connect my NIC one to my switch. Alright, coming to my FTD, now you can see that management is here, gigabyte 0/2/0/3. So there is no proper mapping of the interfaces in this GNS3. So what you have to do, you have to rename this one. So how you're going to rename? For management, it is G0/0, but that is management M0/0. So I will just click on that one, edit text, and I will remove that one, gigabyte 0. And now 0/1 means 0/0. I will just change it to 0/0 and I will make it small, G0/0. And 0/2 means 0/1, and 0/3 means 0/2. So before you start your lab, make sure you fix these interfaces, otherwise you will be confused. I know it's mapping is not good, but that's the problem issues I have found, and I am saying you that one to resolve these issues. So now that our lab is ready, now we'll go ahead and I will start installing the FMC first, then FTD1, then I will start configuring my routers. Thank you for watching this one. See you in the next video.